Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see in the title and the thumbnail, it's gonna be another unboxing. And I don't know, I'm smiling because I've had an eye on this bag since like forever, and it's on my wish list, and I finally got it. So this is, you know, the Alma BB, and I picked it up yesterday, and I got it. Okay, let's just unbox this because I can't wait to see it in person. I already seen it in person when my friend and I went to the mall and got the card holder. That was like 2 weeks ago. And I was trying this on, and surprisingly, some of the LV store, they have stocks about like the hard to get items for some reason. Because when I was there, I saw the key pouches, like the key pouch in the mirror bin and also in monogram, and I also, but they don't have the card holder and stuff. And I also seen it over there. I'm just like, it's always sold out online, and for some reason some of the stores like have it. But you know, if you guys are, I already filmed like how to get hard items from Louis Vuitton, so I'm gonna try to put that out as well, maybe like after this video. So anyways, let's just unbox it. Okay, so you know, I think I can, yep, I can slide this. I'm just gonna slide the ribbon. Just slide this ribbon. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, okay, so I think this is the receipt, I believe. Here. Yep, it's the receipt. And okay, so this is the receipt. I'm just gonna keep this as well. So my SA, when I called the store, they told me that she was on vacation. I also emailed her and she didn't respond, because, and then I was like wondering why she didn't respond. But then when I asked her when I asked the store like where she at, she was like she was on vacation. But anyways, here is the okay. So there's, oh my god. Let me just put this back. Okay, so we have the dust bag, and I can feel it already inside. This Louis Vuitton. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my. Why is this dark? But it's the Alma BB in the mirror Eben. Oh my god, look how pretty she is. Wow. Okay, so let me just inspect it because I don't want any. Okay, so because I was like literally binge watching a lot of unboxing, and some of them got like a defective bag, and I just want to make sure that I don't have that problem because I don't like returning items at all. So, but I haven't had the defective items from Louis Vuitton yet, but you know, just want to make sure for a safe side because they are not cheap. They're very expensive. So just looking at the stitches, so there's no problem. And that's the back of the Alma BB looks like. Just hold on, you guys. Okay, Louis Vuitton in Paris. Alright, so I'm just making sure, and I'm gonna okay, here in the handles. Okay, the stitching looks good, which is amazing. And I got, like I said, I got the Damir Eben, just cause I was debating on getting the monogram, but then I already have the Speedy 25 in monogram, and I wanna get something because I've been loving the Damir print. I don't know, it's just me. I do still love the monogram, but when I was looking online and also in person when I was there, I don't really like how bright here in the monogram one, and I'm scared like they're gonna turn out really brown, even if they're like, you know, really classic. I just don't like that. But yeah, that's why I choose the Mirror Eben. So That's the gold hardware, like the zipper. You can see that. Okay, focus. There you go. And I'm gonna try to. Okay, so zipper is fine. Okay, so inside we have the. Oh, that just flew. Okay. Oh, what is this? So this is the, I think, the little dust bag for the lock and keys right there, and it comes with the sling. So I think the only size of the bag that comes with the sling is the Alma BB. The PM and the bigger one doesn't come with a sling, and the sling is very tiny. And I wish, because I was talking to my friend this, I wish they have like a adjustable sling, just because, you know, some people are tall, some people are really short, and I wish Louis Vuitton comes out with a adjustable sling strap for the Alma BB, or if, you know, even like in the other strap, just because I don't know, some people are short, like I said, and some people are like tall, so there's no problem with this strap. And I can use this on my mini pochette and the mirror bin. This is a must, because strap in Louis Vuitton, I was thinking about getting one, and they cost a lot of money, almost 300 something dollars. I'm just like, no, I'd rather go to Amazon and, you know, get strap. Okay, so it comes with this. What is this? Okay, this is the code, I think. Code right there, and right there. I'm gonna keep that 3. And we have a, oh, I think this is the lock and keys. So let me, oh, yep, it is the lock and keys. So here we have the lock. It's very shiny. So this is the logo on the side, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris on the side. And it also comes with the keys, 2 keys right there. And I'm excited. And it has 441 number. Yeah, both of them has number. Let me try to see. Okay, so okay, that is that. I'm gonna try to put them here first on the dust bag. Right there, and oh, right there. I was looking for this, and in that case, I don't know how to put this. It may take forever for me to figure this out, but I want to put this somewhere in the front, right here. And okay, so the interior of the bag is red. I like the cherry red color, and it has a slit on the side, or like in the back. So there's like a slit here. You guys can see that. Let me just figure this out on how I put this. And I was planning on, I think when I go there next time, I'm gonna do like a hat stamp. So I'm gonna put like my initial here, because I'm planning on keeping this bag forever. So I'm gonna put like a hat stamp here on the key, where you put your keys in here. So let me just try to figure it out on how to do it, because I low-key I don't know how to do this thing. All right, so I figured it out. So what I did is I just put my keys inside. So there's the keys inside, and then I hang it there. Oh my goodness, she looks so cute now. So right there, and I'm just gonna give you guys a 360 so you guys know. Let me just zip this real quick. Zip this. Get a zipper. It's okay. And alright guys, so let me give you guys a 360. So this is gonna be the front. The side. And just the back. right there, and then this is the handles look like. This gold hardware, and also the zipper. This is the back. So it's really small and tiny bag, you guys. It's not your, like, I could say it is every day, I would say, for me. But if you like big bags, then you could probably get like the PM and the MM, I believe. So they have the PM, they have the BB, which is the smallest one, the PM, which is a little bit regular, and then the MM, which is like very big. So I just got these, and for the sling, you can put this in your bag. Actually, no. You can put this here. And then you can do a sling. I'm 5'1", and this is what they look on me. Right there. You put here as well. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's a decent. It's not too like low, but yeah. Anyway, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if curious on how I score like the hard to get items on Louis Vuitton, stay tuned, because I will be editing a video, I think maybe after I upload this. So yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also join my $100 US giveaway. Link will be in the description box below or somewhere here in the screen. So yeah, I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.